Hey everybody, it's Rich from Single Malt Maps, and today I'm going to be making a homemade version of the Cliff Bar.
For this recipe, you'll need 1¼ cups of Rice Krispies, 1 cup of quick rolled oats, 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed, 3/4 cups of raisins, 1/4 cup of nuts, 1/3 cup maple syrup, 1/2 cup peanut butter, 1/8 cup of honey, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and you'll also need to add some chocolate chips. And if you want to make this more of a protein option, you can add a scoop of your favorite protein powder.
Alright, 1 cup of oats down and oats everywhere. 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons.
Nuts.
1/2 cup of raisins. A little more than 1/2 cup. I don't know what the math is on this, but I'm doing 1/2 cup. 1/3 cup in it too. 1/2 cup and 1/3 cup of raisins. Need a spoon to get off the spoon. Maybe I'll just keep that spoon there.
We're going to need to do a little bit of prep to the dry ingredients. You're going to want to chop the nuts as fine as you can, crush or chop your Rice Krispies, grind the oats if you have the availability to do so, and chop the raisins into a really fine, almost gluey texture, or put them in a food processor like I'm going to do in this video.
Pouring Rice Krispies in. We lost the crisp. Oats everywhere.
Now that you have all your dry ingredients chopped, we're going to go ahead and mix them all together in a bowl, but keep your protein powder off to the side because we're going to add that to the wet ingredients.
Rice Krispies. Oats. Chopped nuts. Flaxseed.
Next, we'll mix together the wet ingredients in a medium pot.
Alright, some peanut butter in first. This is just the protein powder. I'll mix it in with the wet ingredients. Strike! And then the honey and maple syrup. Put these chocolate chips in.
Set your burner to a medium-high heat and begin melting the wet ingredients.
Yeah, now the chocolate's starting to melt, and then it starts to turn dark brown color. So half tablespoon of vanilla.
After you have your bars flattened out in the pan, put them into the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to let everything set up.
Easily fit it in there.